Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by signing into your Amazon account and locating the specific order ID. This saves time when you need details. Once done, enable push or SMS notifications so you get real-time status changes. Now open the Amazon app or website, go straight to orders, and tap the item you want to track. That first tap reveals shipment status and the tracking link you'll use next, so don't skip it. Next, inspect the tracking details. Tap the tracking link to surface the carrier name, tracking number, and movement history. That explains where the package has been and why it's delayed if it is. Then follow the carrier link to view a live map or delivery window estimates. This helps you plan to receive it. If the status reads out for delivery, make a quick decision, be ready to pick up or accept at the door. Finally, confirm delivery by checking the order details for a photo or signature. That verifies receipt. If the package is late or missing, contact the carrier first to ask about last-mile scans. If that yields nothing, use Amazon's problem with order flow to request help or a refund. If you still hit a wall, open an A to Z claim or chat with Amazon support. One tip: refresh tracking and screenshots before contacting support to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.